From the Weather NorCal Command Center, this is your Siskiyou County Neighborhood Forecast.
Everything Medical has been your complete source for medical supplies since 2007. Our 10,000 square foot showroom has the largest selection of home medical equipment in the North State. We have what you need. Everything Medical, Athens Avenue, Reading.
Well, so excited to be offering you these neighborhood forecasts. Of course, as you know, we're kind of taking all of Northern California, splitting it up into 6 different neighborhoods. Now, each neighborhood will get its own personalized forecast, and Siskiyou County is one of them. I want to again thank Everything Medical for sponsoring the Siskiyou County Neighborhood Forecast. All right, let's take a look at what we've got going on here as we take you into tomorrow for your Monday. Yeah, we're warming things up a little bit, but still not that bad, in the upper 70s and low 80s for pretty much everyone. Now, we still have this trough of low pressure in place. There's 2 things associated with that. Number one, temperature's still staying fairly mild. The cooler air kind of dives down kind of in that trough, and the heat is going to be more associated with those regions of high pressure. But on top of that, that's also responsible for the thunderstorms that we've seen over the weekend, and we'll see more thunderstorms in the mountains here starting the week off, and maybe even into the middle of this week as well. So there you can see through Wednesday, we still have this trough in place, but it is shifting eastward. That's because the heat off to our west is pushing in our direction. So you've got that ridge of high pressure building in, and that's going to give us the heat that we may have been talking about here, especially for the end of this week. And look at that. I mean, we're kind of getting in these darker shades of orange, of red, that is, looking at very good chances of seeing above normal temperatures. By the way, the normal temperature in the valley, at least, is in the mid-90s. I think we're going to be exceeding that here, even for, of course, looking at above normal temperatures for Siskiyou County as well. 2 p.m. on Monday, there are those thunderstorms popping up here. You'll notice it's not very widespread, so isolated thunderstorms in the forecast. You can see that continues as we go into 6 p.m. on Monday, and then we go into 11 p.m. on Monday. It's all gone. But we see another round of thunderstorms popping up again on Tuesday. But you'll notice the chances are starting to diminish at this point. In fact, when we look at the extended outlook here for your Wednesday, there you can see the thunderstorms off to our east. So I think by Wednesday, Siskiyou County will be dry, and then we'll keep it dry for the rest of the week. And also looking at those temperatures warming up for Thursday, Friday, and not to mention into the weekend. Your Monday forecast for Siskiyou County, there you can see Horse Creek about 88 degrees, Hornbrook 83, 81 for Wairika. There's your 7-day forecast for Wairika. Again, we could see some thunderstorms today, maybe even tomorrow, but then as we go to Wednesday, those chances will start to diminish. Let's take you to the south. Etna for Scott Valley, a high of 79, 77 degrees for Fort Jones, as well as Callahan. There's your 7-day forecast for Scott Valley. Could see some thunderstorms in there, by the way, for Monday, Tuesday, but then by Wednesday through that upcoming weekend, it's beginning to warm up. Weed, a high of 78. McLeod topping out at 77. There are those chances for thunderstorms out towards Tule Lake, and not to mention Tennant. All right, there's your 7-day forecast for Mount Shasta City. We've got chances for showers and thunderstorms on Monday and even into Tuesday. And then it looks like by Wednesday it dries out and it's warming up. We're getting close to 100 degrees at 3,500 feet for Mount Shasta City, 97 on Saturday and about 98 on Sunday.